Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your yellow light problem. And you can see your whole screen is in yellow warm color. So how you can just remove this in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open your settings, then click on display and brightness. You will see here it is eye comfort. You have to just turn it off from here. You can see this, and it is now in a cool color and yellow color is gone. You can just turn it off from here. You can see if your screen color temperature is in yellow side, you have to shift it to the bottom of the circle from here, so it will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.